And look where he's gone. Look where the f he's gone, that dumb shit. No, it's turning now. So good. Cute. Little bit faster, come on. As Snowcat would say, but I'm a new driver. Driving at 2 miles an hour, so everyone can see that he's driving now. You know what it's like when you first start driving, you're all excited, you want your friends to see you driving. So you go at 2 miles an hour, everyone sees you. Or you do a little bit of stupid shit, so everyone thinks, oh yeah, he's cool. And then you wreck your car and everyone's like, what a dumbass. Now what's going on over here? Cheers, buddy. Cheers, buddy. Cheers. Hey guys, what's going on? I am... Look at me, I'm fucking soaking wet. It's gone through the jacket. I'm getting a little bit cold. You know, look at this rain, man. Beautiful rain. Beautiful rain. Like seriously, this is so dangerous. Like this is so stupid. I mean, yeah, I'm like just taking it head on. I'm like, yeah, f it. But the thing you need to be careful of, you can't drive like you normally would, because I haven't done this route enough times, or maybe in a long time, or even in heavy rain like this. I can't remember riding this route in heavy rain, so I don't know where the puddles are. I've done it in a car, but in a car you don't worry, whereas on a bike you gotta worry for those massive puddles. So so you guys can't see right now. It's dark, it's raining, my bike is steaming. There's just steam coming out of the bike like mad, like pissing out. If you guys have been around for a while, then you guys would have seen my Instagram post of the amount of steam. Look at this massive puddle right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a massive puddle on the left side. And I'm talking about fucking huge. And as King Nero would say, this is fucking stupid. I am fucking soaked. I'm sure everyone's looking at me riding going, this motherfucker. Like, I am fucking dripping water. That's how bad it is. It's in my gloves, it's probably in my boots. My dick feels cold. My dick's wet. For the first time in my life, my dick is wet. I've done this for myself, man, but hey, it's an experience. At least if I get caught out, and I have been caught out in situations like this on the bike, so I'm not so scared. I mean, when I started, yeah, I would be a little bit worried. I'm like, oh, you have to be really careful and stuff, but it's a good experience in the future where you've gone somewhere and on your way back you encounter this, or you're going somewhere and you encounter this. You don't piss yourself, you're not scared, you're not nervous, so you're not distracted. All of those things are distractions. So right now I'm focused. I'm like, yeah, it's cool, it's cash, I'm not scared. Oh, it's moving in back of my thigh now, all that. Oh see. just react and don't be scared, because if you're nervous and you're scared, you might even go for the brakes. You're thinking, god damn no, and then you hit the brakes and you're oh, it's actually so cold. Look, all of that is a puddle, all of that. So that's what you got to be careful of, and be careful of cars in front of you driving that hit those things. I'm going to turn off my GoPro in a second because I don't want water to get into the mic port, and if it's running it will damage it. If it's not running, you'll be fine. Just don't use it until you're sure it's dried. This rain is just building up. So what are you going to do, man? You just got to live it out, man. You just got to man up and live it out. But damn, I'm getting cold, man. Seriously, look at this car going through the puddle. Ooh, Oh, look at all this steam coming out my bike. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the GoPro. See you later, guys. See him just flip him off his surname. You have this, yeah? Use your indicator, use your fucking indicator, you prick. Go ahead, go ahead. This is not a joke. Come here. Come here. Come on, come here. What sort of a person comes flying out of a bend? And yeah, open your window and actually say it to me. Don't just like freaking go on. You can't even open the fucking window and have some common courtesy to fucking talk to me. You fucking cunt. I saw that a mile away. You pillar. You pillar. He's going to be coming around here. What the f is going on up there? Let's get some air in this. 104 degrees. 101. 100. Does anyone know who those guys are? What were they wearing? Was it those like Elmo hoods that go onto the helmet or something? If they're vloggers and you guys know who they are, link them down below in a comment. You might get spammed, but I'll check it out. What the f***? Can I fit around here? Yes, I can. Hey man. It's getting hot, man. I just want to turn off for a bit. 600. Yeah. Especially when you come off of a CBR 125, it definitely is fast. Oh yeah, man. Seriously. I'm the second owner. I bought it from Honda. It's only done 3,000. It's 2011. So yeah, quite happy with it. Oh yeah. I'm trying to. At least you get a nice breeze, man. That was just for him.